now coming into Lomira. Population 2678. It is a village in Dodge County, Wisconsin. I guess this area was originally called Springfield, but in 1849 the name was changed to Lomira. Diner 67, because we are on Highway 67. The first post office was established on May 11th, 1849. So we're going to check all the Lomira. I have filmed here before, a couple years back. But I haven't done a proper demographics / notable people. The racial makeup of this town, 95.2% white, 0.7% African American, 0.5 Native American, 0.3 Asian, 1.7 from other races, and 1.6 from 2 or more races. So this is Main Street we're turning onto now. Hispanic or Latino of any race were 4.6% of the population. Not a whole lot going on here still since the last time. They do have a little depot, which we'll turn on right here. Median age of the village, 36.7 years old. There's the Lomira train station or depot. The gender makeup of the village is 50.3% male and 49.7% female. Median income for a household in the village, $46,522. For the family, $52,600. Males had a median income of $36,440 versus $24,286 for females. About 3.1% of families and 3.9% of the population are below the poverty line, including 4.3 of those under 18 and 6.7 of those 65 or over. Lomira is at the crossroads of State Highways 49, 67, 175, and Interstate 41. They got Lid Key Lumber, Lomira. Say that 5 times fast. Lid Key Lumber, Lomira. Lid Key Lumber, Lomira. I would do it actually, probably. There's the post office. That's an old, outdated post office, but a post office nonetheless. So this is what's considered, I guess, downtown Lomira. Notable people. There's actually a couple. Josh Bilicki. He is a NASCAR driver. He competes part-time in the NASCAR Xfinity Series, driving the number 92 Chevrolet Camaro for DGM Racing. He has also previously competed in sports car racing. So he must have lived here at a time. He was actually born in Menominee Falls, but he must have lived here, grew up here. Yeah, it's such a kind of abandoned area here. It's too bad. Tim Michaels. He is a businessman. He runs the Michaels Corporation. They are a construction company. He did actually run for the gubernatorial election in 2022 and lost. Whoa, they got a huge, huge solar field right here. Lomira's building up. Building up, building out. Look at that. Look at all those solar panels. Wow. How far did they go down? Pretty far. That is a huge solar field right there. Solar farm. On the right. Uh-oh. I feel one coming. Ready? Oh, sorry, folks. On to the next town. Where will we end up? Nobody knows but Yogi. It says we are now entering Byron, Wisconsin, birthplace of S.J. Steve Whitman, Aircraft designer, race pilot, inventor. I'm guessing that is who Whitman Field up in Oshkosh, where the EAA is held. I'm guessing that's who it's named after. Byron is unincorporated. So, other than Steve Whitman, I have no idea if there's anybody else from here. Just a kind of drive through town. I don't know if they have anything like a house or anything else about Steve Whitman. It's a neat little old cemetery there. It is called Byron Cemetery, 1846. And just like that, we've come across our second train of the day. Look, this one going southbound. It's on the same set of tracks that we were up against in Teresa. And here we are again. And I'm really hoping this one doesn't stop. The train stopped for a brief moment, and now it's backing up, and now it has stopped again. So what we're gonna do is back up, because we have no idea how long this train is going to be stopped here, and I am not waiting any longer. We have now entered Oakfield. It is a village in Fond du Lac County, Wisconsin. Population here is 1,052. A post office has been here since 1850. The village was named for a grove of oak trees near the original town site. This next bit of information I'm going to give you is incredible. On July 18th, 1996, an EF5 tornado, that is the highest rated tornado, ripped through part of this village, destroying 47 homes, but amazingly, nobody died. That is amazing. And it's hard to believe it's been 28 years. I know exactly where I was that night. I was at a concert. I believe it was Vince Neil, Warrant, and you know the amazing thing? Vince Neil's voice sucked back then too. Now we are entering downtown. Very small little community here, Oakfield. The racial makeup of the town, 96.9% white, 0.2% African American. There's the Log Cabin Restaurant. I guess it's still a restaurant. Oak Central Bar is open for your drinking pleasure. 0.3% Native American, 0.4% Asian, 0.3% from other races, 0.2% from 2 or more races, and Hispanic and Latino, 1.8%. So that was pretty much downtown. We're going to turn here. They're selling gas, $3.29 a gallon. So it's down this street here. The median age of this village is 40 years. The gender makeup, 49.3 male and 50.7 female. Median income of this village, $51,053. For a family, $56,154. Males had a median income of $37,833 versus $24,625 for females. About 1.1% of the families and 1.9% of the population were below the poverty line. Age 18 and under? None, actually, 18 and under. So nobody is in poverty under 18. And 8.3 of those 65 and older. Now, I believe right up here is a canning plant. It was actually damaged by the tornado. Not severely or anything, but it was damaged pretty good. As far as notable people, just a couple representatives. If you end up watching this and you are from Oakfield or lived in Oakfield at the time of the tornado, comment below because I'd like to know more about it. I mean, I've read stuff, I've seen pictures. I'm trying to think if there's video. There might even be some video. What else they got going on here? That's a nice little house right there. That's an interesting shaped building right there on the left. Actually, there is a notable person who's been through Oakfield. That's me. Who am I kidding? I'm nobody. So that was Oakfield, folks. Very sleepy, quiet town. Village. Let me correct myself. Village.